Hello? Your pinky just fell out. I can't really do anything because I'm holding you. Put your pinky back in your mouth. You can do it. Yeah. Show them how smart you are. Oh, you can hold your pinky. See? 3 weeks old, holding her pinky. Pretty incredible. She's amazing. I just had to document this. So, that's all. Lily, you gonna smile? You waving? Baby. Hey. Look at those eyes. Look at them dimples. Hi. Alright, let's see if we can get a video without her crying. Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, we're not too far away from a feeding time and she's finally awake. So, just thought I would try to get a video. And that's all. So say bye, Lily. Bye-bye. No bye. No waves today. Going back to sleep. Alright, good night, Lily. Look at those eyes. Aww. She's like totally zonking out on us. That's better than crying. She hardly ever cries unless she's hungry, so she's sweet. That's all. Alright, bye-bye.